So I'm getting ready to share with you guys what I got for the after Christmas sale at Walmart. And I'm so excited because only thing I wanted to do was get a lit garland, 9-foot pre-lit garland, which is right there. And I actually think that I have two. I believe this is two because that was busted, but that was the thing that they rung up, which I'm happy because this ended up being these each. Hold on one second. My total ended up being $26.26. So the actual garland was only $1.44. $1.44. And I mean $1.11 for the pre-lit garland. And the tea lights, I needed those. These are always good to have in your house for emergency because one tea light, guys, if you ever have an emergency and lights go out, one of these things burn for, I believe it's 4 to 5 hours if I'm not mistaken. It's about, 4 hours for one tea light. So this is 100 of them for, $3.97. You can't beat that. These are great emergency candles to have. 4 hours is a long time for burning. So that right there I have for my anniversary. We're going to use these in the room plus just to have some more in the house. So I got those. Those weren't a clearance, but this bad boy. Look at this. Do you see those? 2 3.5 foot. So it's a pack of 2 Christmas trees that go on the porch. And this was the kind of look that I was looking for when I made the DIY ones. And guys, guess how much I paid for these? $6.25. $6.25. Yes. I paid $6.25 for these. And I'm so freaking excited for the fact that I got these for a steal. $6. $6. You cannot beat it. It's pre-light, pre-strung, 90 branch tips. All bulbs stay lit if one burns out. Ultra realistic tips. Then, but this one I had first. And then this lady and me went back over there. And then I found this. This was the last one. And this was the last one. Now this is 4 feet. And it is a flock snow tree with a wood base. Guess how much? $6.25 as well. Whether I use it or not, I probably can resell it if I don't use it. But that looks like it's going to be nice and fluffy. And that is the same size as the tree that's in my room. But I'm not going to take that out the box because we don't have to worry if the lights work. But I'm going to take these out to see how these look. That way you guys can see these as well. And to see if they are, I don't know, it look like they, it must be like a light green because they look like they're flocked. But no, they would say it. I'm going to take those out. So $1.11 for these. I'm going to light those up. I got these poinsettias and those are $2.49 and they look so real. Don't those look real, guys? Yes. So I'm going to take this out the box so you guys can see it. And I got these bows and these were 24 cents. I wish I would have got more. I'm going to try to go back to see if I can find some more because I would like to have a couple more of these. But yeah, so those bows there and everything, as I said, came up to a total of $26. And that is all I needed. I really only needed those, but I definitely wanted to get Christmas trees in each of our rooms where we have a different little tree theme or whatever. So maybe one of the girls can put that one in their room. If I don't put that one in my room and give one of them mine, we'll figure it out. So now we just need one more 4 foot and then that'll be for RIZZY'S room. So yep, and then if I didn't let you guys know why someone threw out a Christmas tree, and it is a 6.5 foot, and the lady told me, she was like, oh, it's a great tree. Well, the guy told me, her husband, she said it too, but the husband was like, it's a great tree. We just upgraded and got a different, I think they went with a flock tree this year, and it's a green tree. So I may bless somebody or put that on Facebook Marketplace next year, because I don't think I want to keep that, because this one here, I want to put in our family room downstairs. Look at my star. That's because I had took it off to measure the other tree next to it. But I want to take and put this one downstairs and let that be the theme of my husband's room when we do that room down there. And so this would be like the Bulls, Buffalo Bulls, yeah, Bills, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. He probably killed me. He hate when I say that. He'd be like, it's such and such. I can't remember which one. But anyways, that'll be his. And then, yeah, he tried to put my pillows back on the couch. He don't do it right. But yeah, so that would be his. And I want to, I didn't find it next year. So maybe next year, I didn't find it this year. So maybe next year I'll find the tree that I truly want, which I want it to be a little bit bigger. I want the actual tree to come to where the top of that star is. And then, you know, the star can go on top of that. So that's what I want. And I'm going to keep looking. Other than that, we will be using that bad boy until we find it. So let's see how these trees look. So this is what it's looking like so far. Oh, I'm glad it's like a true green. It's not that light, fake looking green. Okay, these would be cool on the porch. And you know what's so funny? A lady was supposed to sell me some of these on Facebook Marketplace, and she never responded, or I never was able to meet her to get them. So these will be pretty cool. And I might even put them right there next year. I don't know. I want to do something different next year. So I might even put those like back there or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out, y'all, next year. But for $6, they not going nowhere. Your girl is keeping them. I don't know. Well, I do have the gold theme, but I really don't like those. I probably would paint those white. I don't know. White or silver or pearl or something. Hold on. Let's go. Let's get these lit up. And the other one, they package these pretty cool. Take that down. Let's see if you light up. I'm not going to unfluff them and stuff because there's no need. They're going to be saved for next year. So hold on. All right, guys. So yes, for $6, you cannot beat this. And imagine when I fluff them out and make them really cute. Yeah, they may just go here. Because, yeah, they may just go there because I want to put, then again, I don't know. Because I got a garland for this for next year, and then I got a garland for that so I can get rid of the Dollar Tree garland. And I got to see if the garland works. So let's see if that works too. Hold on. The garland looks fine as well. And this one was kind of discombobulated, so I hope, why does that look like that? Yeah, this one was, let's see if this even lights up like it's supposed to. I don't know where this come from. Or is that like a hook to hang something? Or yeah, I don't know. But I'm not unfluffing it because I'm not using it. So let's just plug her up and see if she works. Alright guys, they both work. So that is my mini after Christmas haul. I'm so excited about all the items that I got because I know I definitely will be utilizing them and putting them in my Christmas decor. And these, this particular one, we shall see who gets it. Mommy might get that one. This might be mine in my bedroom next year. We don't know. We shall see. But yeah, that is it. I only spent $26 and I got something that I know I can use for years and pass down, especially these. I'm so loving them. They may go outside. They may not. We'll see next year. Or guys, maybe they can go on the sides and I can put that downstairs. I don't know. All right, y'all. Later, remember to thumbs up this video. Sorry for all the discombobulation, but one of my tripods fell. My light there. I took my shoes off because I don't like to step on my rug. So, yeah, I got to clean all this mess up for my hubby get back because it's time for me to get this food cooking for my family. So, thumbs up the video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are notified of all the new uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Later, gators.